Okay, today this will be our last video talking about time. And today we're going to see if we can apply what we know about reading time and see if we can't place the hands on the clock ourselves. So you're going to see I have a blank clock on the board and I have a time of 5:08. I've found out that it is easier when placing hands if you will start with the minutes. And so we're going to look at the minutes on this. In 5:08 we know there are 8 minutes. We're going to use our strategy by numbering, counting by fives on our numbers, and the first one is 5. We know we don't need to go any further than that because if we go to 10, we've gone too far. So now we're going to start counting by ones. 5 minutes, 6, 7, 8, and here is 8. So we know that we can draw our minute hand out to the 8. We know the minute hand is the longest, and we almost want to take it out and touch that minute so that we know exactly which one it's pointing to. So there's 8 minutes. Now we know that 8 minutes, that when a clock starts a brand new hour, it starts over at the 12. 8 minutes, it hasn't gone very far. So we know that therefore then the hour hand is not going to go very far past the 5 either. So we're going to place our hour hand about right here, just a tiny bit past the 5, and it's going to be, again, it's shorter than our minute hand. So there we have placed our hands, and so we know that this clock says 5:08. Pretty simple. Then if we go to, let's look at a different clock. Let's go to the next page. If we go to the next page, we will see a different time here. On this one, we want to do 9:39. 9:39. Again, it's easiest to start with the minutes. We're going to see that there are 39 minutes. We use our strategy to number the minutes on our clock. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and stop. We can't go anymore. It'd be too far. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Here is 39. So our minute hand is going to go all the way out here to the 39. Now, we know that the hour is 9. Because there are 39 minutes, we know that that has gone over half, this minute hand has traveled over halfway around the clock. So we know that the hour hand is going to have to be a little bit past halfway traveling on to the 10. So we're going to take our minute hand and go about right there with it. I mean our hour hand, excuse me. Our hour hand about that, a little bit past halfway, because that minute hand has gone past halfway around the clock, traveling to the next hour as well. So there would be our hands for 9:39. Now let's look at a clock that there's been lots of minutes have passed the hour. Let's look at this one, 1:54. Let's go ahead and get those minutes done. Again, numbering our minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, using the 5-minute intervals between the numbers. 35, 40, 45, 50. And we're going to stop because we can't go to 55. It would be too far. 50, 51, 52, 53. Here is 54. So there's where our minute hand is going to point, right at that 54. Now, a whole lot of minutes have passed that 1 o'clock. So we know that our hour hand is going to, because the whole lot of minutes have gone all the way, are on the clock. A whole lot. This hour hand is going to have to be a lot past this 1. It's going to be almost seemingly looking like it's almost closer to the 2, which it is, because it's fixing to travel to 2 o'clock. So because this minute hand has gone way around the clock, this hour hand has to be way past the hour. Your child, after a while, when they get really good, they'll be able to omit the numbering of the 5-minute intervals. Right now, we want to use that as a strategy to make sure that we're doing this. Practice this at home. See if you can't find a blank clock or online somewhere and give them some times and see if they can't put hands on it. I think you'll be surprised. They're doing a really great job. And this will come in real handy as we get ready for our unit test. Thank you again for all your help at home.